Have you ever wondered why some construction projects run like clockwork while others seem to drag on? A lot of that comes down to one thing: procurement. I'm Kayla with Knack. Let's jump right in. Procurement in construction is essentially the process of acquiring everything needed to bring a project to life, including materials, equipment, contractors, permits, even specialized services. It's not just about buying things, it's about setting the foundation for success. Every choice made in procurement affects cost, quality, and timeline. Legal and regulatory compliance plays a huge role here too. Every project has to meet building codes, zoning regulations, and safety standards. Miss a step and you could face fines, delays, or damage to your reputation. Procurement also has a strategic side. Good decisions build collaboration and trust among teams, while bad ones can lead to costly disputes. The process starts early, with what's called initial team procurement. This is when you assemble the project team, including architects, engineers, contractors, subcontractors, suppliers, and specialists. It's not just about filling roles. It's about choosing the right collaborators. Everyone involved needs to share the same goals and understand the timeline, budget, and objectives from the very start. Next comes procurement management, which is one of the key pillars of a broader project management plan. Procurement management ensures that all the necessary materials, labor, and equipment arrive on time and meet project standards. It's what keeps costs in check, schedules on track, and quality consistent. It also minimizes risks by diversifying suppliers and making sure everyone stays aligned. A good procurement management plan lays everything out clearly. It defines the project scope and objectives, explains what needs to be purchased, and connects each decision to overall project goals. It outlines a procurement strategy and sets up evaluation criteria for vendors. The plan also includes a procurement schedule to make sure everything arrives on time, a budget breakdown for each activity, and contingency plans for possible risks like supplier delays or price increases. It even establishes quality standards and communication guidelines so everyone stays informed and accountable. Now, let's talk about procurement models. The two most common are traditional and design-build. The traditional model is linear. First, the design is completed. Then, contractors bid, and finally, construction begins. It's great when you want control and clearly defined stages. The design-build model, on the other hand, combines design and construction into one contract with one entity. This often leads to faster results, more collaboration, and fewer disputes. The best choice depends on the project's complexity and the client's priorities. There are also RIBA procurement route models developed by the Royal Institute of British Architects. These include traditional, design and build, construction management, management contracting, design and manage, prime contracting, and framework agreements. Each one fits a different type of client or project. Construction managers play a crucial role throughout procurement. They act as trusted advisors for project owners, helping define goals, set budgets, and plan timelines. They handle vendor selection, oversee bidding, negotiate contracts, and ensure quality control through regular inspections and audits. They're also responsible for cost tracking, risk management, and keeping communication flowing across the team. The strategies for construction managers often include competitive bidding, working with engineering to save costs without sacrificing quality, and building long-term supplier relationships for reliability. They monitor contracts carefully, choose the right materials and equipment, and make sure spending stays within budget. Requests for proposals, or RFPs, are one of the main tools used in procurement. They outline a project's requirements and invite vendors to submit detailed proposals. Once proposals are reviewed, bids are scored, and the best vendor is chosen for contract negotiations. After the contract is awarded, monitoring becomes essential. Teams use performance indicators, audits, and inspections to ensure vendors meet their obligations. Tracking documentation, finances, and stakeholder feedback helps maintain accountability and project integrity. Procurement schedules are also key to keeping everything moving. They map out when materials, equipment, and services need to be delivered, helping prevent bottlenecks and delays. Clear scheduling keeps milestones on track and the entire project running smoothly. Finally, advanced procurement strategies like early contractor involvement are becoming more common. When contractors participate in the design phase, they can offer insights into cost-saving options, material choices, and constructability. This early collaboration not only improves efficiency, but also aligns procurement with broader supply chain goals. At Knack, we've seen how strategic procurement can transform projects. When teams use connected, collaborative systems, especially ones built with no-code tools like Knack, they can manage vendors, track contracts, and streamline procurement workflows with ease. Thank you so much for watching today. I'm Kayla with Knack. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next episode. See you soon!